part of the setup is around Flowpage, and this is an awesome bit of kit, and it's free as well, which is even better. So what we want to do is create an account, add your photo, add your bio, and then create flows to all of the above. So we want to be creating flows to all of the above. So basically, we're going to have one link, and then that one link will push people to different directions. So, we've got all these, awesome stuff, and, we can just push them, service accommodation management, that then, they would click on this link. I'll actually, if I go to preview my flow, copy it as a client would see it. So they come in here. Obviously, they can hit that button in email. They can go there and then go here, service accommodation management. They click that. It goes straight into a messenger, which then goes into a chatbot, and then the chatbot then takes them to a download to be able to download their SA management agreement and SA management PDF, which then explains the SA management service, and then from that they can then book a call to come into us. So chatbots are great as well, which we'll again come on to more and focus more on that in the marketing section. But for now, we just want to concentrate on getting set up, and all you want to be doing is just creating these flow pages. Fairly simple. You just go in here, just click on whatever you want. So a link, you can put your Instagrams in, your TikToks, whatever it might be. Just click, open it up, pop your link that you want to divert them to, pop your awesome title in there. Decide whether you want no image, pop an image in there, just quickly click and select, save your link, and boom, that's in your flow page, ready to go. And then you promote your flow page link, which is here up in the top right. You just copy that, and then you can put that anywhere. Obviously, you can customize in terms of colors, whatever you see fit. You can have different style lighting, it depends what you want and how you want it to look. You can have all sorts of quirky colors, and then obviously you've got analytics as well. If you want to come off the free plan, obviously you get more analytics. For me, I run everything through chatbots, so I can see my analytics in chatbots. I can see who's going over there, so I don't necessarily need to pay for it. But all good stuff. Just make sure you click save, and you will then go through into your flow page. And there's loads of really awesome stuff in there that you can do. I know, and at the start, I've got very heavily into, I would have things like rent guarantee in here and other stuff. We do that a different way now, but when I first set up, everything was focused around acquiring property. So rent guarantee, service accommodation management, cleaning and linen services, our website, all the accounts, the business accounts, the LinkedIn pages. So for you, just all the pages that we've created so far, link them all up. And then as time goes by and you're building your business out and you're finding out which way you're going, you start to build out your services underneath your actual pages and link them all together. And it's just getting more attention on your brand. That's all we're doing in this is just attention, attention, attention. Money follows attention. So all we're doing right now is getting attention on your brand. And that's the main focus of all this setup. So get these set up. Get them all put into the various bios, etc. of the other platforms, and you are good to go. That's your business setup in terms of the formalities, and we can see you on the next video and hopefully start finding some deals.